Hello there and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can draw specific items or pixels and shapes with the help of the Pyxel module. And I have prepared these functions for you, and these functions have this specific purpose which is kind of obvious from the function name. So the first one draws a pixel, the second one draws a line which is 10 pixels long, the third one draws a rectangle, and the fourth one draws a circle, and the fifth one draws a text message on the screen. So now what we can do is to check to see how this all runs. So basically this is how it looks when you draw these shapes on the screen. Alright, now what we would like to do is to, let's say, create a randomized background and foreground color. And in order to do that, we should do the following. So the foreground color will come from the random choice. And this random choice takes an array, and this array can have as many items as you want and as many type of items as you want. All you have to do is give this choice the array, and it will pick a random item each time it's called. Now, in order to change the background, we need to modulo 16 this foreground color, and the pixel.cls is going to clear our background with the color that we specified. Now all that is left is to change the foreground color of these shapes, and now if I try to run it, we will see how it fares. So as you can see, it is changing dynamically the colors, and this is kind of what I wanted to show you in this video. This might give you an idea about changing the colors of your items with your Pyxel project. Thank you for watching.